Hello, welcome back again, and today we are going to do a 1950s inspired look. So we're starting off by putting some blush on, some subtle amount of blush, and using the Tarte Showstopper palette with the blush in the middle. Pumping. I've already kind of started. We're building it up, kind of a little bit, to make it not be too harsh. We want to go with very subtle, very nice. Because I watched a 1950s beauty tutorial. Of course, it was given by a man. And he said to put, if someone can tell that you are wearing the blush, he called it rouge. I think that's the liquid version of blush, if I am correct. And he said if someone can tell you're wearing it, then you're wearing too much. And I was like, okay, well, I guess I have to follow this thing now because I'm trying to be accurate. So, a little bit of color. Also, I don't know if there was, I'm pretty sure there was matte shades, but I think there would be more using like awful shimmer shades. I'm using a highlighter brush for this, but I think same difference. It's like the same area. I'm having a real hard time with this eye color. I need something that would go with a red lip. I need something that would also... Because in the video they say, do it according to your eye color. And... you probably can't tell, but I have hazel eyes. I don't know. I should probably just... doesn't really matter. That's my thing. So, I think we're gonna pat down the eye. Wow, something I've never done before. And then I'm probably just gonna use this shade. Maybe use this silver, the shade next to it too. Can you get shimmery, please? Thank you. Also, they did everything with their hands, like everything. So that's real cute. Okay, so I think we're done with this eye, so now we're gonna do the other thing. So now we're gonna try to do a little eyeliner. Fun, fun, fun. I think they didn't do wings. I think that nature back then, we're just doing a line to thicken that up. So we're done with one eye. Okay, so now I'm taking Great Lash by Maybelline. I'm gonna put on mascara only on my top lashes. They didn't really put them on the bottom. Oh, they're getting on there anyways.
I'm gonna go clean that up. So now I'm gonna apply some white liner underneath my eye to make it pop. So now, here we are. I decided I should pop some highlighter on, and that we can magnify it. So I'm using high beam for that benefit. And then you blend it out with your fingers, obviously. Found her by putting on some highlighter on top. And your last step is to put on some red lip. But before that, you should put on the spray stiff. I forgot the name of it. The all-nighter stuff. Whatever you have version of that, but I want to eat, so I'll come back to you probably with my hair done and everything else done, because this is not its final form. See you very soon.
So everyone, this is the completed look. I went to school and had a great time, and I probably sound so tired right now. Anyway, this is the outfit with red lipstick. This is some like YSL sample. Anyway, thank you. Please give me your comments and concerns in the comments below. Love you. Bye.